Peace. Got a couple minutes, so let's take a look at some of these charts and see what's going on in the world of crypto. It is Sunday. That means this current week is wrapping up, and the new week will be beginning at 8 p.m. tonight. Let's take a look at VeChain. VeChain, we're looking at a weekly chart. Let's bring it all the way up to a monthly chart. Okay, so our current bar, which represents a month's worth of the data, which only began on August 1st. Today is August 8th, so we're about 8 days in, is currently green, which means it is looking bullish. Now, it has broken the high of the previous bar, which is a good thing. That is giving us some bullish confirmation short term, because of course it has to test previous areas of supply and actually break and hold above them before we can say it is definitely bullish. But the current candle is bullish, which means, and it has broken the previous high of the previous month's candle, which was this red candle that you see here before. So VeChain is actually looking pretty bullish right now at around 10 cents. I know that the previous low was somewhere around the high 5-cent area. I was looking to get in around 5 cents. So that order may have not been filled. I haven't checked my limit orders as of lately. But either way, if you got in somewhere around there, you would have been looking to double up on your investment so far. Let's see, break it down to the weekly. Each bar right here represents a week's worth of data. And this week should be completing shortly. All three of the most previous weeks, meaning these current weeks and the previous 2 weeks, have been very bullish on VeChain as well. It is coming into an area of supply right here. So it's actually in that area right now. So let's see if it holds. It would exceed that area right there around just over 15 cents. So this coming week will pretty much give us a bird's eye view as to whether, well, it'll give us a little forecast. It's either it will continue to penetrate that area of supply and push all the way through it, which will definitely be some bullish confirmation, or it'll test that area, then retrace back down to lower prices and continue to go lower. But right now, yes, it is bullish for the time being. Let's hope that it stays bullish, or you know what, gives us some better prices for some new entries into the market. Break it down to daily, and this is how it's looking. It's been pretty bullish on the daily aspect, going from these lows here, just over 5 cents, all the way up to just over 10 cents. So VeChain has been looking good on the bullish side. Let's take a look at another chart. Look at Polyastic. Let's go all the way up to the monthly. You know, we like to work our way from the top down. This current candle that we are experiencing, like you said, is a month's worth of data. Each candle represents a trading month. So right now we're in the month of August, which is only about 8 days in. So far for the month, the candle is showing bullish compared to the last 2 previous months' bearish candles. Bring it down to the weekly. Current week is bullish. The previous week to that was bullish as well. Let's zoom in a little bit. And let's zoom into the daily. Of course, it's not that much data on Polyastic, but so far the previous candles have been bullish on the daily, weekly, and the current monthly. I'd like to see it continue pushing higher. We don't really have much of a supply area in here. The little bit that we did have has already practically been exceeded or broken through. If it holds, we continue to see price go much higher. The next area that it would be testing to find some supply will be around the 0.0015 area, and all the way up to about the 0.0028, we'll say. So it has to exceed a price level of 0.0028 to really be considered bullish, and start to test the monthly level supply areas. But as far as the weekly, it is still pushing up, so we'll see where that goes. If it does not break through that area of 0.0015 and higher and hold, then yes, it will come back down to the price areas where it is now, and possibly experience even lower prices for a lower entry if you're still looking for some lower price entries on that polyastic coin. Okay, and we're about 5 minutes to 20 seconds into this video. We think we got another one in here. Let's look at the key. The key. We're currently looking at the monthly candles. Once again, we're about 8 days into the month of August. The current candle is bullish. Previous candle, which was July's candle, was bullish as well. As far as the monthly area supply is up there above the 0.23 area. So let's go to the weekly. And as far as the weekly concerned, the past 2 weeks previous to this one have been bullish. This current week seems to be ending very bullish. As far as the weekly supply area, these two areas weren't really much of supply, but it is entering those areas now. So for it to remain bullish on a weekly level, we have to break the 0.00142 area, would say, and then the next area of supply would be up here in this area. Let's go down to the daily. Yeah, so it's been pushing up. Polyastic this is the key. It has been pushing up ever since it tested the 0.00488. For it to hold that bullishness, I like to see it exceed 0.001396. If it exceeds there and holds it, then we are definitely looking at something bullish. As far as outside of that, it may just be testing this area right here only to turn around and to give us some lower prices. So continue to watch those three instruments there. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video because we know they're limited on the upload and the sharing. Okay, guys, those are the 3 coins we're going to review for this video, and look forward to some more videos to come. Thanks. Have a good one. Peace.